couldn't imagine doing anything else.
This is my moment.
And this is my mile.
This is LynQ. It connects 2 or more people together so they can find each other. It's a simple one-button interface. Just pair 2 or more devices, and then follow the arrow and distance right to your people. That's it. All without the need for phones, maps, connectivity, or subscriptions. But LynQ is as much for fun as it is for safety. Find your friends at music festivals. Stay together in large crowds. Reunite easily on ski trips. Allow your kids to explore with more peace of mind. Or simply enjoy your outdoor activities with more confidence. LynQ uses a new approach to GPS and has a range between devices of up to 3 miles. Scroll through groups of up to 12 with a user interface that's simple enough for a young child to use. LynQ lasts up to 3 days without recharging, and its built-in clip allows you to attach the device to your clothes, gear, or even pets. LynQ is more than a people compass. You can set meetup locations that everyone in your group can easily find and return to. A safe zone feature alerts you when anyone strays outside the boundary that you choose. It's great for kids and pets. No more worrying, wandering, or waiting around. LynQ will find your people when nothing else will.